Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you haven't heard of Wish.com, what are you doing with your life? There's a bunch of cheap stuff on there. I've seen a couple videos now of people buying car parts from Wish.com, and I thought it would be interesting to try it myself. So I ordered 2 parts, came in like 3 weeks in. I got this. These are, if you can't see, they're headlight bulbs that are supposed to change color. And also, the other thing I got, this was like $9, I think. Another thing I got is this. This is a $15 radar detector. This doesn't really count as a car part, but then I wanted to try it. Here's my unboxing. It comes with this sticky pad you put on your dash, and then comes with the radar and a power cable. Nothing really interesting. So I'm gonna start with this. This is really interesting. I don't really hope for it to work. I don't know if it's gonna work. I mean, I'm not even gonna keep this on. I really just want to see if it's gonna work. Let's go try this out. Alright, so there's 2 ways to do this. You can either take off your headlight and go through like the back, take off all the bolts. You have to take off your bumper if you have a 350, because there's like it won't come off without you taking off the bumper. Or you can jack up the car, take your wheel off, and you have easy access to the back of the headlight, and then you should be good. I already loosened all of this, so I just have to. Much better. Okay, so once you're taking off your wheel, your headlight, if you don't have a fender liner like me, your headlight housing is right here. Where is it? It's right here. Now we're gonna just turn this. It comes off, like so. And your headlight's exposed. Alright, this is really hard to record, but you see that there's this thing here. I think this is like some module. It goes to the top, and then the bottom one is where we take it off. There is a little clip here that it's like this, and you just have to push it back, and then it comes out of this, and we have this guy out. This is what we need out. And we're gonna replace the replacement. I'm gonna just this is all plug and play. This is the second one. This is the original one. See how it has the same plugs right here? So I'm gonna put this one in exactly where I got the other one. It's really hard to show you, but this right here is loose. This is where, god damn it. Alright, this is where this one goes. This is hard with one hand. Alright, I plugged everything back in. I'm gonna try this now. I'm gonna try if the remote control works. See if we can get some like green, red, blue, yellow lights. And that'll be it for this one. Okay, these are for the high beams, by the way. If I didn't mention, these are for the high beams. So this is a bad video to film in the daylight. I don't know how to work this. Alright, I should be able to change the color. Let's see. Because it's stuck on red now. Oh! Alright, I think that's green. Now it's blue. I'm not even pressing blue, but it's blue. Can you see from there? You can't. Okay, great. Here. It's blue. Now I'm gonna press red. It's not gonna do anything. Oh. I pressed blue. Make it orange. Red. White. Yep. Why is it purple? This thing seems to be changing color on its own.
Nice Honda.
It's green. Orange? No? Blue? Oh? It's blue. Yellow? Come on. It's green. Okay. For $9, here are your high beam demon eyes. So this is a fail. So you can toss it up. My bad. I didn't mean to. You can toss it out. I'm gonna put my OEM ones back on, and then we can try the radar. I'm really excited to see how this one is not gonna work. Okay, it's now time to test this $15 radar detector.
Excel van. Excel van.
It's good. So highway mode?
City mode.
City mode.
Can we drive? What are you pressing?
Volume.
Oh, that's all it does?
Yeah. So we're in the city.
look at this.
So city mode. See how many things this thing picks up. We're now in city mode, and there's no cops around. Oh!
Attention please. KA band.
I think KA band is like actually like a cop radar. You know what else goes KA bands apparently?
No.
Acuras.
Oh, low battery. Well, we passed by like 10 cops so far, and it hasn't been working. I'm gonna go on the highway and see if it works there. I really doubt it, because there was a cop just like sitting there, and it didn't do anything. We pointed the radar to him, and it's not working.
Yeah, this shit don't work.
Yep. Thanks, Wish.com. I didn't like any of your stuff.
It makes noises though.
It caught an autonomously driving car, which is something, you know. Like if you're on the road and you want to see an autonomous driving car. Oh.
KA band.
Oh. There's a cop right there, and it worked.
Damn, shit.
It works. It just proved us wrong. I take back everything I just said.
Damn.
I take back everything I said. This radar works. Thank you, Wish.com. That's it for today's video. No, I'm gonna close this later actually. So I'll. There's a cop coming right there, and the radar works. Great success. This thing is surprising. Like that cop was pretty far away, and it started working. And my battery's about to die. But this thing works, so we're good. Alright, I really have low battery. I'm gonna close out this video. Thank you so much for watching. Links of the products that I used are down below. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. This thing seems to be changing color on its own.
Nice Honda.
It's green.